Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be using Google Flights AI Deal Guide to help find cheap flights. So when you're on the Google Flights homepage, go down and you will see discover the best flight deals with AI. Click this, and then here we can set our parameters like round trip, one way, customers, what type of class, how many stops we want on our journey, specific airlines, specific truck prices, and specific durations for flights. So here we can type in anything. So here are some suggestions that we can do. So say I want to get a 5-day retreat to Europe, press this here, making sure I have selected all of these filters that I want, say non-stop, so say one way, and then it will come up with all of the flights. If I want to add extra parameters like cheap, press that.
The great thing about Google Flights is that I can be very specific and type in anything that I want. So say, for example, I type in this, I want to go somewhere for 5 days in the sun by the beach in Europe. And you feel free to add more detail. The AI will try to find the best match for your requests and needs. So as you can see, it has given me places by the sea for 5 days in the next 6 months. So make sure you specify the timing of your trip.
So if I want to further reduce the price, I can do that by putting 50, say, and that will give all of the options for that. So let's click on Valencia, pick a departing flight, pick a returning flight, and you will see the 13th to the 18th, that is 5 days as I have specified, non-stop as I have specified, one carry-on baggage for a fee, one check bag, one carry-on bag available, and first check bag available. And then after that, we can book through a specific agent. And once you click into the agency's website, you can further select your class. Different baggages are included here, different cancellation fees. And then once you're happy here, press continue, fill out your details, and then you can book the flight. Put in your payment details, and then, yeah, you'll be able to get on the flight then. So I hope this video helped.